ಜೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು, ಫುಲ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ವರ್ಷ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 3 ಜನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
ಆತರ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಜಂಪು
Just take video of me jumping now. He's in record.
Climb up. I will show this also. Idike hogana bekare. There is one more place very famous.
Label it as crazy people. Possibly jumping to their death. It only looks like 2 rocks. Wait.
Ready?
Wait. Okay. Sorry.
Hero.
Hey. Crazy guy. Jumping.
Wow. Still recording, huh?
Yeah.
The best jungle video. Hey, yellow.
Yes, Uncle's already there.
Great.
Uncle.
We'll come from that side.
That's original skull, uncle.
Climb up fast, people. Oh, my leg. Why, what happened?
So they're all through the whole turns and look at them.
Wait.
God.
Get down.
You got lost last time?
Just hold me camera.
Huh? Come.
I thought of going in same route.
Still recording.
Yeah.
Karate champion.
Should we go there?
Yes.
Table rock asle alla.
ಟೇಬಲ್ ರಾಕ್ ನಾವು
Should we go there?
ಕೂತಿದ್ದು ಶಾಂತಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂತಿದ್ದು ಬಂದ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಮುಳ್ಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು
People ಬೇಕಂತಾರೆ.
ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದವರು.
Mission accomplished. Cabin crew.
ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀನು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ನೈಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡನ್ ಫುಲ್ ನೈಟು. ಹೌ ಟು ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ಬೈಟ್ಸ್. Nilgiri trees.
That eucalyptus tree kind of.
This one, you take the bark of it and burn it. Mosquitoes will not come anywhere closer to you. Whole night we used to burn the mosquitoes. See, somebody takes a picture from there. Next time we can take a camera. Take it. Who has a good camera? Mobile. This 2 megapixel is good only.
This video mode, now you can stop it and then go back to